Good morning, and welcome back to Daily Dhamma, a letter to our children. Today is May 8th, and our reading is The Sound of Breaking Glass. The splintered aspects of the soul, the aspects that require healing, need to interact in physical matter so that each part of the splinteredness can become whole. And that's Gary Zukav from The Seat of the Soul. We believe everyone in our life is here for a reason, whether we understand what it is or not. It's our job to piece back together the broken shards of our kamma and heal our relationships with others. It doesn't matter if this is quantum entanglement or volitional kammic formation. Our task is to be here now and do the next right thing. What do we know? The people who are placed in our path are placed in our path for reasons that are beyond our comprehension. What we can do is to try to be kind and not cause any additional harm, not put an extra rock in their sack of woe, and to see if we can be of service. Remember, selfless service is doing something without any expectation of a reward, of cash and prizes or a statue or anything else. And that's the third chapter of the Bhagavad Gita as well. So the universe sees fit to put us together. Least we can do is try to lend a helping hand. Please take a look at the description box, and you will find the table of contents for the book Daily Dhamma, A Letter to Our Children. You'll also see playlists for this YouTube broadcast, and you can take a look at what's contained in them. We highly recommend them. If you're of a mind, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you wouldn't mind dropping by Amazon and picking up a book that's available in Kindle and paperback form. And happy trails to you until we meet again.